This storage unit is perfect for bathroom. It's one drawer inside. It's MDF inside. And the second and the third drawer is made of velour and with white liner harnessed. The liner is 100% polyester. You can take it out to wash when it is dirty. And you can check inside. And the side part, we have the special design. And the back. This 3-drawer basket, storage basket, you can put little stuff inside, such as case, toys, bathroom toiletries, and you can put little bits and bobs inside and make your room tidy and organized. It can load 800 pieces in 40 containers. Our MOQ only 100 pieces. This white color, you also can change gray color, brown color, wood color as you like.